Flooding is the #1 cause of death in thunderstorms. So when you see a flooded roadway, think smart and stay alive. Never drive or walk through flooded roadways. It only takes 6 inches of moving water to knock you off your feet, and 12 inches can sweep your car away. Not only would you be putting yourself at risk, but you would be putting others at risk as well. You never know how deep the water is or how fast the flood is flowing. It may be deeper than you think. If you are trapped by moving water, move to higher ground and call 911 if possible. Do not drive around a barricade. Floodwaters could also contain flowing debris and other hazards. If flooding or flash flooding is expected or occurring, be prepared to move to higher ground. Turn around, don't drown. Stay alert and stay safe this severe weather season, part of Ohio's Severe Weather Awareness Week.